This is the 2020 RT Limited with the F3 handlebars. As you can see, her back actually makes connection with the backrest. You can see on the same model bike, but this particular one has the standard handlebars. Now, Catrina, on the previous shot, there was no air gap. She was quite comfortable riding, but as it is, it's not comfortable with shorter riders or shorter arm riders. And most of the ladies that buy these things, unless you really stretch yourself out like Catrina just did, it's uncomfortable. Tomorrow, we're going to try the short reach handlebars, which you can purchase from BRP. We just arrived at Brisbane C2 and Can-Am, and we're going to get the short reach handlebars installed on this 2020 RT Limited. I believe it only takes 15 minutes. The short reach handlebars give me an extra 2 inches between the handlebars and the backrest because I'm not that comfortable. Shorter riders like me, 5'9", shorter arms, possibly that's an option for you. Bigger riders don't really need it. But anyway, we'll show you a bit of the install of this. It takes about 15 minutes, so we'll get back to that install right now. The 3 sets of handlebars there are on the ground. On the far left, you can see the F3 handlebars. You can see the short reach handlebars and the standard RT Limited handlebars. Darren's here showing me all the Loctite, and it's absolutely, they cake it on. We just finished with the install of the short reach handlebars here at the dealership. It's went really well. It took 15 minutes. Can you believe it? 15 minutes to change all those handlebars. I got myself the extra 2 inches I was after, so thanks Ross and thanks the team. We're going to head on the road now and just see what those handlebars feel like. We'll catch you next time, guys. To handlebars BRP produce. Okay, I'll stop. I've got short arms.